Hello guys, check this girl out.
It's the Eclipse.
We're currently walking to find a spot. Carrie,
Yeah.
Nick,
What?
Allie, Braxton.
Hey.
We're gonna do this. Me. Can't forget about me.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Step back.
It's like
Video or
it's a video.
To see the truth
What do we expect for the eclipse today? Starting with Braxton.
from a distance. You can
Darkness,
It's gonna get cold.
coldness, crickets. Nick,
I'm not too sure. I think it's just gonna be wild and
uncertainty.
you and me
uncertainty. That is the way to do it.
meant to
I have no
be.
idea.
None. I can't even talk. Allie,
a very short
Forever
yet
free.
profound, awe-inspiring experience.
ooh, so poetic.
Where'd you read that from?
Tell us. Carrie?
In the great
I'm thinking
outdoors,
there might be some laughter.
Yeah?
forever
Hopefully not a plane overhead.
Oh my God.
Like, we'll see.
All the passengers better have glasses.
Maybe it'll
the
rain.
pilot.
Rain. No
Rain, I don't think
rainbows.
rain will happen. I'm expecting stars. That's for sure gonna happen. After that gets blocked.
You're gonna make it work. I can't take off.
Putting this whole Apparently there's a little tip of the sun covered. Nick in his shades. Braxton without his shades just yet.
Looks like someone took a nibble. He's like, oh, this could be tasting cookie.
On the rock ice stand.
Last summer I was with people working here. About coming back for another season.
Boy, the eclipse, I didn't know about the eclipse until I got here. Awesome. How do people know where it's at? Unless you're like really into the stars and telescopes. Flash?
With the thing.
I'm fine. I should be good. It's getting darker, guys. Time is okay. It's 11:27. 2 more minutes till nighttime. Or it already feels like nighttime. 11:29. I don't know if you can even see it.
Well, I guess you're not gonna get above it.
That's years. But I just don't know if you flew the same. It got dark.
It got dark right before, right between our eyes.
So like, is it happening at 2 p.m. their time? Like, right?
Oh, that is a valid question because we are rotating.
Yeah, that's not like, is it
And-
happening
I
right now or did
think
it already
it happened
happen?
already on No, the right? East Coast.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
It's the moon that's moving.
No.
We're all moving. Ah, science! This is why I don't do astrology or astronomy or whatever. Science!
Oh.
Look at the airplane. Right there. Science!
We have like 5 minutes, guys. We have like 4 minutes.
5 minutes.
make
We're all looking like, what? I feel like we're the Scooby-Doo crew. Time machine. Oh my god. Beautiful! We did it, guys. We eclipsed it.
Made
Yay!
it.
Nick.
I was talking to